Welcome back to another video by 12th Istik. In this video, we will be discussing about Secretarial Practice Standard 11th, the functions of a secretary, which is on page number 7 of your SP textbook. So, let us begin. Functions of a secretary. Secretary performs basic clerical functions and office responsibilities of a company, department or individual. So the work of the secretary is to perform a normal clerical functions, and also the secretary has to maintain the responsibilities of the office, like conducting meetings, fixing the appointments, if there is any doubt of the workers, of any employees, so to solve the doubt, to help the boss in his or her work. So this is all the basic function that the secretary has to perform. The functions of a secretary are vital for helping an employer or organization to function effectively. So here जो कुछ भी काम सेक्रेटरी करता है या करती है इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द कंपनी. सो वाई इट इज़ इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द कंपनी? बिकॉज ओनली इफ द सेक्रेटरी विल परफॉर्म द ड्यूटीज, विल परफॉर्म द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज वेरी स्मूथली एंड वेरी करेक्टली, देन ओनली इट विल लीड टू द बेनिफिट ऑफ द कंपनी, ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट और ऑफ दैट इंडिविजुअल पर्सन. द फर्स्ट फंक्शन ऑफ सेक्रेटरी इज correspondence. The second one is office management. The third one is reception function. Fourth one is financial function. Fifth one is arranging meetings. Sixth is statutory function. Seventh one is assistance in formulating policies. Eighth one is providing information. And the ninth one is administrative function. So now we will be discussing one function in detail. So the first function is correspondence. One of the important function of a secretary is correspondence. Secretary looks after inward and outward mail, replying to inquiries from outsiders, गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट एंड अदर स्टेक होल्डर्स. सो सेक्रेटरी का क्या काम होता है इन अ कंपनी? सो सेक्रेटरी लुक्स आफ्टर द मेल्स. जो कुछ भी मेल्स आते हैं फ्रॉम द एम्प्लॉयज़, फ्रॉम द क्लाइंट्स, फ्रॉम द कंपनीज और फ्रॉम अनदर डिपार्टमेंट, तो वो सेक्रेटरी ध्यान देती है. इनवर्ड मेल ऑल्सो एंड आउटवर्ड, वेदर इट इज़ इन नेशन ऑल्सो और वेदर सम इंटरनेशनल मेल्स. रिप्लाइंग टू क्वेरीज फ्रॉम आउटसाइडर्स. अगर कोई बाहर का आता है और वो उसको कुछ जानकारी चाहिए, कुछ इंक्वायरी करना है उसको, सो सेक्रेटरी लुक्स आफ्टर दैट. ऑल्सो द सेक्रेटरी लुक्स आफ्टर द गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स या फिर अदर शेयर होल्डर्स है, अदर स्टेक होल्डर्स है कंपनी के. सो दिस इज द ड्यूटी ऑफ द सेक्रेटरी टू लुक आफ्टर इट वेरी इफेक्टिवली. सेक्रेटरी ऑल्सो लुक्स आफ्टर द वेरियस रिकॉर्ड्स ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. इसके बावजूद भी सेक्रेटरी को और भी बहुत से काम होते हैं, लाइक उसको रिकॉर्ड्स मेंटेन करना, मीटिंग के रिकॉर्ड्स मेंटेन करना, वो प्रॉपरली फाइल करना, मिनट्स ऑफ द मीटिंग बनाना. सो दिस इज ऑल द अदर फंक्शंस ऑफ सेक्रेटरी विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. देन वी हैव द सेकेंड पॉइंट, दैट इज ऑफिस मैनेजमेंट. Secretary is responsible for efficiency of the entire office routine. So secretary she or he is very important person in the company, in the department, in the organization, because उसको एक responsibility दी जाती है to look after all the office, to look after the whole office. Secretary supervises and control the staff and look after the activities of the association. So secretary जो है वो दूसरे वर्कर्स, दूसरे एम्प्लॉयज़, जो कोई भी ऑफिस में होता है तो वो उसको सुपरवाइज करती है. लाइक फॉर एग्जामिनेशन ऑल्सो, when you are giving an exam, when you are attempting your examination, for example your board exams या फिर college exams or school exams, also there are supervisors, there are teachers who take around, who look whether you are writing the paper or not, whether अगर आप कॉपी कर रहे हो, अगर आप यहाँ वहाँ देख रहे हो. सो इन द कंपनी ऑल्सो सेक्रेटरी सुपरवाइज करती है दूसरों के कामकाज. सेक्रेटरी हैज़ टू गाइड supervise and control the office staff for smooth functioning of the company. So secretary advice देती है दूसरे employees, दूसरे workers को, उसको guide करती है, उसको एक right दिशा दिखाती है कि ऐसे काम करना चाहिए, वैसे काम करना चाहिए. So the whole of the staff जो है company के, it is under the control of the secretary. The secretary also has to look after training, promotions and transfer of the office staff. So secretary also looks कि किसका promotion है, किसको training की ज़रूरत है, किसको transfer होने की ज़रूरत है from one office to another office. So all this is the additional function of the secretary, that is to see after trainings, after promotions and for the transfer of office staffs. Now turn to page number 8. We have reception function, which is the third point. A personal secretary attends to telephone calls and visitors, attend to enquiries, fixing appointments, etc. So also the duty of the secretary is to attend phone calls. If someone will call to have an inquiry, to ask something, if they have any doubt, तो वो doubt solve करने के लिए if the outsiders will call the secretary, then it is the duty of the secretary to inquire them, to give them proper solution and advice. Also, if any visitors are coming from outside companies or from individuals also if are coming to inquire about the company, then it is the duty of the secretary to provide them with proper knowledge and proper information. Also, अगर boss का appointment fix करना है, if there is a meeting, so also it is the duty of the secretary to fix the meetings very regularly. Then we have the fourth, that is financial function. Financial function is related to money, as finance means money, paisa. Secretary handles the banking transaction and maintains proper book of accounts. So secretary, as secretary is called as the confidential officer, so the secretary has to maintain the books of accounts of the company. जो बहुत ही it is very confidential and it is very secret, as that information should not disclose to another company. Secretary has to keep a watch on receipts and payment. Secretary provides the necessary information to employers, management, bank and government. So also the secretary has to look after the receipts, has to look after the asset, कितना payment आया, कितना payment credit हुआ in the company. So it is the duty of the secretary to look after all of that. Also, if there is any information which is necessary to give to the employers, to give to the boss, to give to the workers, so it is the basic duty of the secretary to deliver that information to them. Then we have the fourth, that is arranging meetings. The secretary arranges meeting between the employers and any other parties. तो secretary का और एक फंक्शन होता है कि मीटिंग अरेंज करना बिटवीन दी वर्कर्स, एम्प्लॉयर्स, बॉस, एम्प्लॉयज़. सो secretary has to also perform that function, to fix the meeting, to arrange the meeting, to schedule the meeting. So this is the main function of the secretary. The secretary also arranges general meeting of the board and managing committee meetings as per the provisions of the act. So as per the Companies Act 2013, it is also the function of the secretary to arrange board meetings, to arrange general meetings. तो ये सब वो company के law and regulations को ध्यान में रख के secretary will arrange the meeting with the board of directors, with the CEO, with the boss and also with the general public. The secretary draft notice, agenda and also the minutes of the meeting. तो fixing the meeting, fixing appointment is one of the function of the secretary. But apart from that also, secretary has to write a notice to all the members, to all the employers and the workers. तो पहले वो नोटिस लिखेगी कि कब होगा मीटिंग, कितने बजे होगा, उसका वेन्यू, उसका प्लेस क्या होगा. सो दिस विल कम इन द नोटिस. एजेंडा मीन्स कौन कौन से पॉइंट्स विल बी डिस्कस्ड इन द मीटिंग, कौन से पॉइंट को हाईलाइट करना है, ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस देना है, कौन से पॉइंट को ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं देना है, तो she or he will write it down. So this is the main function of the secretary, that is to prepare the notice, then to give the agenda also of the meeting and also the minutes of the meeting. So minutes of the meeting is written at the end of the meeting. Meeting होने के बाद वो क्या discussions हो गए, what all discussions are made in the meeting, so that the secretary prepares. So that is called as the minutes of the meeting, which is prepared after the meeting is being conducted. So all these functions are to be done by the secretary. Then now the sixth one is statutory functions. The secretary has to comply with all the provisions of the act applicable to its organization. So secretary को the Companies Act 2013 ये act और उसके rules and regulations ध्यान में रख के ही उसको organization and company का workings it will go on. Secretary also has to compile with the Income Tax Act, the Stamp Act, Shop Act, Goods and Service Tax Act. So secretary उसको ध्यान में भी यही रखना है कि इनकम टैक्स का एक्ट क्या क्या किधर किधर it will be useful, goods and service tax, that is GST, where all he or she the secretary can apply. So keeping in mind all these acts, the secretary has to perform in any company. Then the seventh point is assistance in formulating policies. The secretary has to collect statistical data and information. The information assists the management in formulating policies. So अगर कोई project आता है, so secretary will look after that project. After looking into that project, जो necessary information है, जो necessary data है, जो secretary को collect करना है, that information, that data the secretary will collect, and accordingly जो कुछ भी plans, policies, rules, regulations है, secretary will prepare a draft of it. Then we have the next, that is the eighth function, is providing information. The secretary provides accurate information related to various departments in the organization. So the main function of the secretary is जो कुछ भी वो information दे रही है दूसरों को, it should be correct. Accurate मतलब it should be correct, it should be precise, it should be right. तो जो कुछ भी information she is giving, जो कुछ भी advice, solution he or she, the secretary, is giving, that should be very correct so as to lead the growth of the company and the organization. Secretary provides relevant information to management, banks, government department, shareholders and employees. So secretary जो है वो correct information देगी उसके management को, उसके boss को, गवर्नमेंट डिपार्टमेंट्स को, शेयर होल्डर्स को, उसके क्लाइंट्स को एंड टू द एम्प्लॉयज़ जो वो कंपनी में काम करते हैं. Now the last point, the ninth point is administrative function. The secretary performs administrative function like assisting in appointing employees, distribution of office work, supervision, training, promotion. Secretary maintains all the statutory books under proper custody. So secretary also has to perform certain administrative functions, that is to fix the appointment of the employees, distribution of office work कि सब employees को equally work दिया जाएगा, किसी को भी एक work का, किसी को या फिर किसी व्यक्ति को एक वर्क का बर्डन नहीं होगा. सो इक्वल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज बीन डन, सो दैट इज बीन लुक्ड आफ्टर द सेक्रेटरी. ऑल्सो सुपरविजन इज डन, किसी को अगर ट्रेनिंग की ज़रूरत है, किसी का प्रमोशन है, किसी का ट्रांसफ़र है, सो ऑल ऑफ दिस वर्क इज़ बीन लुक्ड आफ्टर बाय द सेक्रेटरी. ऑल्सो जो बुक्स उसको मेंटेन करना है, लाइक अकाउंट्स बुक, फाइनेंस बुक, some tax books, so whatever books the secretary has to maintain, it should be very proper and it should be very precise, वो correct होना चाहिए. So this is it with the functions of secretary. Stay tuned for chapter number 1 secretary video. Soon we will be back with a new video on 12th ISTIC. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you. Bye bye.